this is a short tutorial on how to use part 2 of the online learning module. So you should already be in part 2. If you're not sure how to get there, you would click on content and then click on part 2. So if you look at the home page for part 2, there are 3 tasks in this part. So we're going to start with task 1. Task 1 has to do with vocabulary, and you're going to be working with some Quizlet activities, working with the vocabulary words that pertain to goals. So our words, if you go down, let's see here. So here's a short introduction right here, and it tells you that there are 3 steps to completing this task of part 2. So you will start right here with step 1, and those are flashcards, and you're going to click those to read the word, and then you will flip the cards right up here, click to flip, and then you will flip through the cards using the blue arrows. And all of those instructions are right here under step 1. And then step 2, you are going to start this game, and all you're doing is connecting the word to the vocabulary words from up above as well, connecting those to their definitions. And then we have step 3, and this is just a quick little quiz. You are going to type in your answer of the vocabulary word that goes along with this definition. Once you have finished this, it's time to move on to task 2. And in task 2, come on, my computer's being slow. In task 2, we are actually creating an action plan. So you're going to learn how to set your own learning goal in this task. So part 1 is watching this video, and this has a lot of great information in it, so please watch the entire video. And then our activity for this involves Google Docs. So you should already be set up in Google, and you should, so you're going to follow all of these directions down here. There are quite a few steps, but everything is very detailed, and all of the information is down here. Just follow them step by step. So you're going to create a document, and in your document, you are going to describe what your goal is, why you chose this goal, and then you're also going to tell me what you are going to do to make sure that you achieve this goal successfully. Please take your time and make sure that you set a good learning goal for yourself and you take the time to really plan it out. And then we're going to move on to task 3, which is our very last task for this part. And this task, so this is task 3. This is the self-evaluation part of part 2. So in this part, there is a lesson, and this will be a narrated, I narrated this short little slideshow, so be sure to read through that and listen to that. And then you have an activity, which is to comment on our Edmodo page. You should know how to use our Edmodo page because you did that in part 1. So you're going to comment on there. All of the directions are right here. And then you're going to move on to part 3.